Hi everybody, this is Pat in the paper closet. Glad you could stop by today. And today I'm not working on our Little Things album, but I do have something I want to tell you. We all have our photos locked up in our phones, and it's great that they're kept there, but we can't use them. Now I have found an app. It works on iPhone or iPad. Now I don't know if Android has a version of this, but it's great. It's called Print to Size. You take any pictures from your camera roll, you place them on a page on the app, you resize them to any size you want, therefore you can make smaller, tiny, if you have a certain area on a page where you'd like to fit a photo, and as you're using it and you're shrinking your photo, it tells you the size that it is, so you'll know that it's going to fit. Now you can fit as many as you want on the page. I'll show. I have done this one. This one I printed out. Now I picked a few photos from a few occasions that I want to put in my book. This is a mug my granddaughter had made for me for my birthday. It's my logo. My daughter and my granddaughter at college, a Thanksgiving table at my daughter's, and this is a pile of organizers and planners I have made. I was just getting them all together in one area. You can make your photos teeny tiny if you want. You can fit them all across here. You can move them around on the page. It's really great for getting your photos from your phone to your book. And once you have a page set up, it allows you to save the page as a JPEG. So you can save it on your, I think I put it on Dropbox. You can't save it on your phone, there'd be no point. I send it to Dropbox. I have a folder called Files. I just put it in there. It's a JPEG. So I have this page, the way it's set up right now, in my Dropbox to download to my computer. And that's how I printed it. No, I printed right from Print to Size, that's right. You print right from there. It gives you the option to print. It'll find your printer. And you print out your page. This I printed on photo paper. This one, I even printed on copy paper. And it printed very well. I was really surprised. So this will work out great in using your book that you're making. You can get all those special photos off your phone. Well, they'll still be on your phone. It's not taking them off. Just allowing you to use them, which is really great. So I hope you try that. I hope there's a similar app for an Android user. I don't know. I don't have an Android phone. So please give it a shot. Give it a try. Print out a few photos, figure out what size you want. Say you want to put a photo in, I got things all over the place here. Say you want a photo to fit on here, and you don't want it quite this big. Say you want it 3.5 by 5.5. You can do that in this app. So it would be inward a little bit more, be a little bit smaller. But that's just an example. Here you want to put a few smaller photos, 2 by 3s on the page. That would work out well. So play around with it. It works. It's great. Okay, I just wanted to come on and let you know about that. I'll be back in the next video to continue our book. I'll be making I believe it's, here it is, side pockets. We're going to make a side pocket, which is very good to have for larger things that you want to tuck in there. Say the program from a graduation ceremony or whatever. Went to a show, you got the program. This gives you room to put it in there. And I'm also going to do a bottom pocket. So you can put photo mats. I've made photo mats that I put in there. You put the photo on the mat, and then you have room on the back for journaling. I've designed these, And I am going to do a video on using one of the cutting machines. Allows you to download this software for free. You don't have to have the machine, but you can use the program itself in setting things up. And then you just print directly from there. You wouldn't be cutting, you would just be printing. But it does work. I've tested it out. I even did these photos on there. I added some text. I made a border and an outline. That can be done on there too. I'm going to show you how to do that. So we'll finish the book up first, and then I'll show you how to use this software from the cutting machine. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. Please try out the program. It's the app. It's called Print to Size. Okay, it's $1.99 by the way, which is not bad at all. Very useful. Okay, thank you. Come back soon. Please hit the like button below and subscribe if you haven't already, and you'll be notified when the next video is up on doing those side pockets. Okay, thank you. See you soon. Bye.